Hey guys, Jayanam has something new, channel memberships. So let's see what it is and what's in it. Below each video there is a join button now that you can press to become a member. Nothing changes for the existing subscribers, but the members get some benefits which are called perks. Let's have a look. Of course there is the Jayanam badge that is visible beside your name in the comments, in the chat and on the community tab. And we also have these nice emojis here, but there's more. The main perk in my opinion is the members only community posts, because in these I provide the 3D models that we create in the tutorials, and currently I'm writing an ebook that contains tips for Blender and game development. Each time I have a new tip ready, I will make it accessible for the members. Another perk is that I can mention your name in the end screen. If you want that, you can see this here. And I can also announce your membership on my social media on Twitter or Facebook. So think about it, hit that join button to become a member to build the Jayanam community.